My name is Anya, and today I really want to make some marzipan covered cherries. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Roll out some room temperature marzipan. I'll link my video on how to make homemade marzipan. Place a piece of marzipan in the palm of your hand and place a cherry in the center of that. Roll it up into a ball and continue doing this for the rest. Place all your marzipan balls in the fridge to firm up about 30 minutes. Dip your marzipan balls into some melted chocolate. Place in the fridge to firm up. And enjoy some marzipan covered cherries dipped in chocolate.